The students of class 9 will start continue the next video related to the chapter what we discussed earlier. However, it is a repeated version of this chapter and it will give you more information. I hope you will read and enjoy it. Okay, so welcome to my class. This is Mal Kumar Ratha welcoming you. You are welcome to my math class. Okay, be attentive in the class so that you can understand this. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe and give necessary comment so that it will help for further improvement. Okay, chapter we are going to do now is chapter 7, indices, ICSE Mathematics class 9. First of all, law of indices, as you know, product law. A into m, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Example given after that for understanding. A to the power 7 into a to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 7 plus 4. That is equal to a to the power 11. Similarly, another example, if you take a to the power 3 into a to the power minus 6, you can find out a to the power 3 minus 6. So this is equal to a to the power minus 3. Okay. Quotient law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Example, a to the power 7 by a to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 7 minus 4 or a to the power 3. Similarly, a to the power 6 by a to the power 3 by a to the power 6 is equal to a to the power 3 minus 6. That is a to the power minus 3. Okay. Next, power law. A to the power m bracket n power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Okay. Example, a to the power 3 bracket power 4 is equal to a to the power 3 into 4. So you can find a to the power 12. A to the power minus 2 power 5 bracket 5 is equal to a to the power minus 2 into 5, so minus 10. Okay. Suppose if you take any non-zero numbers, a to the power say n, we can write also 1 by a to the power minus n, or a to the power minus n, you can write also 1 by a to the power n. Example, a to the power 7 is equal to 1 by a to the power minus 7, or a to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by a to the power 3. Like that given. Any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is equal to unity or 1. Say a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. And 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number you can take with power or any variable with power is taken as is 1. Given here another question for you. The solution also besides given. 1176 is equal to 2 to the power p, 3 to the power q, 7 to the power r. Find the numerical value of p, q and r. To find out this, let us factorize this one and obtain in terms of prime factor by prime factorization or any method. Apply to find out 1176 in terms of prime factors. So you will be getting this 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2. Now equating with the given values, powers, for 2 to the power 3, okay, 1176 given 2 to the power p into 3 to the power q into 7 to the power r, and you factorize this, you got 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power p into 3 to the power q into 7 to the power r. Now equating 2 to the power p to 2 to the power 3, we can get p is equal to 3. Equating 3 to the power q is equal to 3 to the power 1, you can get q is equal to 1. Equating 7 to the power r is equal to 7 to the power 2, you can get r is equal to 2. Clear? Okay. Next. Here you have another question. Simplify 3 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 to the power n plus 1 by 4 into 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power n. Okay, the question. So let us see the answer. After that we'll come to second question. 3 to the power n plus 2 can be written as 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 2. Minus 3 to the power n plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1. And lower part as it is 4 into 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power n. If you look at the numerator, 3 to the power n is a is common. Sorry, not n, it is a. 3 to the power a is taken common. So you will be getting 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 1. Similarly, in lower part, it is 3 to the power a again common. So you will be getting 4 and there nothing remains means 1. 4 minus 1. So upper part you have 3 to the power a when you take common. Lower part 3 to the power a common. So therefore these two cancel. You got 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 1. So 3 to the power 2 9. 3 to the power 1 3. 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 by 3. So 6 by 3. 3 2 is 6. So answer is 2. Second question. A to the power m by a to the power n power m plus n. A to the power n by a to the power l power n plus l into a to the power l by a to the power m into power l plus m to find out. Since a to the power m by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. Similarly, a to the power n by a to the power l can be written as a to the power n minus l. And a to the power l by a to the power m can be written as a to the power l minus m. That is placed here directly. So a to the power m minus n bracket m plus n power m plus n. Second one a to the power l n minus l second part power l plus n plus l. Third part a to the power l minus m power l plus m. Okay. So now look at the first part. A to the power m minus n in power a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m plus n into m plus m minus m. So a plus m plus n into m minus n is equal to m square minus n square. Second part also a to the power n minus l bracket power n to the power n plus l. So it becomes n plus l into n minus l. So a to the power n square minus l square. So third part also a to the power l square minus m square. So you got a to the power m square minus n square into a to the power n square minus l square into a to the power l square minus m square. Now using law of indices, adding them, so we'll find out a to the power m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square. So all these positive negative values get cancelled, become a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Next question. We have the question here, after that answer given. Question here 27, first question, 27 to the power 4 by 3 plus 32 to the power 0.8 plus 0.8 to the power minus 8. Okay. The first question, this one. Let us see the answer, then we'll come back again. So 3 to the power 9 is given. So 9 3 to the power 27 is given. 3 to the power 27 power 4 by 3. And 32 can be 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 into 8 by 10. 0.8 become 8 by 10. And plus 8 by 10 by whole to the power minus 1. Now if you cancel, you got 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 second part. And third part will be 8 minus 1, 8 by 10 to the power minus 1, so 10 by 8. So if you simplify, you are getting 81 plus 16 plus 1.25, so 98.25 the answer, first part. Now second question, 27 to the power minus 1 by 3 bracket 27 power 1 by 3 minus 27 power 2 by 3. Let us go to the answer. It is So 27 can be 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 bracket 1 by 3 bracket after starting 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. So outer it becomes 3 to the power minus 1 bracket, inner side also 3 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power 2. So 1 by 3 into 3 minus 9, that is 1 by 3 into minus 6. So answer is minus 2. Clear? Understood? Okay. Third question. Square bracket 5 round bracket 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 parenthesis close power 3 square bracket close 1 by 4. Let us see the third question. The question you can see here. After that simplifying. So 5 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, the 3 cancel, it become only 2. Similarly 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, this also cancel. Outside 3 it remains, so therefore inside 2 plus 3 to the power 3 bracket 1 by 4. 5 outside, or 5 into 5 it become 5 to the power 3, and outside this is 1 by 4. 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3, it becomes 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 4 inside and 1 by 4 outside. So 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel, 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. I hope it is clear, all of you understood. Next question for you. Solve 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus 9 into 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let us see how to solve. 2 to the power 2x plus 3 can be split into 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 3. 9 into 2 to the power x, leave as it is, plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? Yes or no? Right? After that what we'll find out? 2 to the power 2x, that can be written as 2 to the power x whole square. And 2 to the power 3 can be equal to 8. Now if you take 2 to the power x is equal to y, what will be the first part becomes? So 8 y square it becomes, because 2 to the power x square, that is y square. So 8 y square first part, and second part will be 9 y, because 2 to the power x is equal to y, plus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? I repeat once more. 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power x whole square. Since 2 to the power x you have taken y, so 2 to the power x whole square become y square. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So therefore first part become 8y square minus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? We have taken 2 to the power x is equal to y. Now splitting the middle term you can find out 8y square minus 8y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So obtain this common factor. 8y minus 1 into y minus 1, or 8y square minus 8y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking common, so 8y, so we'll find out y minus 1, and later is minus 1 if you take y minus 1. So if you take y minus 1 common, you can get 8y minus 1. So finally you got 8y minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. By using zero product rule, you can tell 8y minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 8. Second you can get y minus 1 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 1. So the value of y you got 1 by 8 or 1. Y is equal to 1 by 8 if you take. What is the value of 2 to the power x you will find? So 1 by 8, y is equal to 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x is equal to 1 by 8. It is 2 to the power minus 3. Clear? So x is equal to minus 3. Compare ignoring 2. Second, if you take y is equal to 1. So 2 to the power x is equal to 1 means 2 to the power 0. So therefore x is equal to 0. So therefore two values of x is equal to minus 3 and 0. Understood? Okay. Another question here. If 2 to the power x is equal to 4 into 2 to the power y, and 9 into 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power minus y, Find the values of x and y. Since 2 to the power x is equal to 4 into 2 to the power y, okay, so 2 to the power y you can write 4, you can write 2 to the power 2. So if you write here 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power y. So therefore 2 to the power x is equal to 2 plus y. Ignoring the base, you can find out x is equal to 2 plus y. Similarly, second part, 9 to the power 9 into 3 to the power x can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power x, that is 3 to the power 2 plus x is equal to 3 to the power minus y. So 3 to the power 2 plus x is equal to 3 to the power minus y, or ignoring the base 3, you can find out 2 plus x is equal to minus y. Now solve the equation x is equal to x plus y, or substitute so that equation 1 in equation 2, so that you can find out x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. Understood? Now, dear children, you have some home assignment. After understanding the chapter, it is the time of testing out how much you understood. So it is necessary to understand and to improve. Both is equally important. And this time, the questions you work out properly, write in a notebook. If needed, make a photocopy and send to my number. Or if you send the proper answer, I will announce your names in the later videos. So keep in mind, your writing should be clear, written well with the time mentioned, and mention your name and class section. Questions now. Question 1, you have 2 questions. Simplify 8 to the power 3a into 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 2a divided by 4 into 2 to the power 11a into 2 to the power minus 2a. Second bit, 3 into 27 to the power n plus 1 plus 9 into 3 to the power 3n minus 1 divided by 8 into 3 to the power 3n minus 5 into 27 to the power n. Next question for you, a to the power m by a to the power minus n power m minus n into a to the power n by a to the power minus l power n minus l into a to the power l by a to the power minus m power l minus m is equal to 1. This we have to show. Next question, if 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power m into 2 whole bracket power 3 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3, so that m minus n is equal to 1. Okay. Next question, solve for x. 13 to the power root x is equal to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. You have to solve and find out this result. Next question, if 3 to the power 4x is equal to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 by y is equal to 0.00 and 10 to the power 1 by is equal to 0.0001, find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power y. Okay. Next question, solve 3 bracket 2x 2 to the power x plus 1 bracket close minus 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Clear? I read again. 3 bracket 2 to the power x plus 1 bracket close minus 2 power x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Next question for you. Here, prove that x to the power a by x to the power b bracket a plus b minus c, x to the power b by x to the power c bracket b plus c minus a, x to the power c by x to the power a by power c plus a minus b is equal to 1. Okay. So I repeat, x to the power a by x to the power b power a plus b minus c, x to the power b by x to the power c power b plus c minus a into x to the power c by x to the power a power c plus a minus b is equal to 0. Second bit, x to the power a into b minus c divided by x to the power b into a minus c whole divided by x to the power b by x to the power a whole to the power c is equal to 1. Okay. Next question. Simplify 3 into 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 9 into 3 to the power 2n by 3 into 3 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 9 to the power n plus 1. This to simplify. Next question. Solve 3 to the power x minus 1 into 5 to the power 2y minus 3 is equal to 225. Next question. If a to the power minus 1 b to the power 2 divided by a to the power 2 b to the power minus 4 whole power 7 is whole divided by a to the power 3 b to the power minus 5 divided by a to the power minus 2 b to the power 3 bracket whole bracket minus 5 is equal to a to the power x into b to the power y. Find x plus y. Dear students, if you like this video, you will share and subscribe. Give the comment if you want to give any improvement. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.